Hey there guys, this is Code Tutorial for you with another Edabit problem. This one's called return the next number from the integer past. It creates a function. So what it's asking is create a function that takes a number as an argument, add 1 to the number and return the result. So as you can see in the examples, you're gonna so if it gives us the number 0, add 1 to get 1. 9 plus 1, 10, -3 plus 1 equals -2. This is a very simple problem and that any beginner can do. So let's get into the code. So right here, this is the function in addition, and this is the number in the argument in a. So what we could do really simple is just return a plus 1. That should give us the answer, and yes, it passed all the tests, but there's other ways you could do this. You could do a variable, call it int answer. That's the name of the variable, answer, which we could put a plus 1, a being the argument, and then just returning answer, which should give us the answer again. There we go. Pass all the tests. Um, Please like the video and subscribe. I'll keep on doing more Edabit videos. Thank you.